Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be looking at Bitcoin and what we are seeing today. So today we are seeing that we had a major push over the weekend and today Monday for Bitcoin. We saw this price action over here. We saw Bitcoin push up all the way, but what can we see now that's being formed? We could see a bit of resistance over here. We see another trend line that we are forming now to trade around this trend line. We have one touch, two touch, and a third touch that just happened right now. It was a major rejection on lower time frames. And remember, we try to base our trades on these trend lines because that's where we start and get a sentiment of where the market is at. As if you guys can remember, on the before the one how we caught these sales were based on a break of a trend line. Based on it wasn't just because of that. We had drawn it from here to there, over here, and we got the one touch, two touches, and three touches, and we got a final an actual break over here. We got a full break over here, and this, although it was choppy, we got a full break. We got a nice retest on a wick, and then that's where we started to sell Bitcoin aggressively over here. And then we started to buy over here. If you guys remember, we had buy signals at 53,000, 53, 52, 53,500. That's where I started signaling to you guys that we are going to buy, and that's where we made some profits there. But now we closed out and we are looking to sell Bitcoin. For the meantime, I believe there's going to be some sort of retest in the Bitcoin price over this area again at 53,000 level. Why? Because of if we draw the trend line again, it's over here. So as long as we stay under this trend line, we are still looking bearish. Remember, we are still not bullish until we get a break of structure on the trades. So if we go on higher time frames, we can see that we are in a downward channel. So in a down direction, right? So we still don't see the break, and this is what created us to buy over here. So we could see until we get the full break over this trend line, and then of course over this midway point of this channel, then we could start changing our sentiment to even more buys. Like I said, I'm not opposed to buying right now, and if you guys buy, I can understand why. But the reason why we did buy over here, and it was something that I put out on the videos. So if you guys were able to capitalize that, congratulations. But if not, this is why I told you guys to share these videos with your friends, with your family, because so they could be gaining on these analysis as well, because they've been helping many people. And for the meantime, we are bearish, so we have entered sales over here in this area, and we just the market looks like it start getting trapped. Like I told you, I always like to trap the market. Once we get a breakout, we enter that trade. So for right now, we are in sales. It's not a really safe trade, but it's not too risky as well. But until we get a full break of this trend line, we are going to enter buys and start maybe changing our sentiment to bullish overall for Bitcoin. But for the meantime, this is what we are seeing. If you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And thank you guys for watching.